everyone, it's Dagi from Hot Paw Vlog again. I hope you had a good time, and yeah, as you can see, I want to continue here with this voliere for the quails. Yeah, we have to make the ceiling here and the little door, and yeah, let's go into it. So Felix and me, we finished now here this ceiling. Unfortunately, some boards were missing, so I took them from this part here, and I will get another boards, or I don't know at the moment how I will do it, for closing this part here. And now the pond foil comes inside. Thanks for Leonie and Mark.
Hello.
For helping this. One moment. So we want to make the pond foil here on this board now, so that the sand bath and the deep litter can come up here too. And we will do it with this band here with metal with holes inside. Yeah, I think this looks very good here. So we have to make the height now, and then the sand bath, and then we continue on the other side here on this one, I think. Let's see how it works. Wow, wow, wow. Today we made here the little sand bath for the quails, and here the complete foil around. Oops, sorry. Here I have to cut it, but I will do it tomorrow, I think. Here, yeah, it was a lot of work here. It was a little bit coming down here, but yeah, I saw it when I cut it. So yeah, as I already said, here the ceiling is finished too, and yeah, now Leonie, Mark, Felix and me, we are finished. Yeah, I hope you liked the video. It was a lot of work today, especially with this foil here. Yeah, if you haven't subscribed yet, please leave a subscription here. Give a big thumb up, and till next time, bye!